Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about the Protowerkstatt lightsabers. Their new brand of lightsabers made by Andreas Kuhn over in Germany. This is what they look like. So, you know, they're a little bit bigger than your average Nano Biscotti board. I would say that they're the same size as a prism. So, you know, if you were to measure one, you're looking at about 43 by roughly 21. So yeah, 43 by 21, roughly the same sort of size as I would say the Plector Labs Prism. So here's one installed, and I think one of the coolest features is the fact that it has a USB connection. So it's got a micro USB connection. So if you pop in a charger, and you know you use your a standard what's it called, power buck, and you can charge a lightsaber. So let's talk about the functions of the lightsaber. So if you hold it down,
sound font.
There's two sound fonts, a light and a dark. So let's listen to the dark. And that's the dark. So now we'll listen to the light.
Sound font.
This is the light sound. That's the lockup. Now the other functions. So what you do is you hold it.
Sound font.
And you tap.
Main color.
And it goes to the colors. So you press and you get the different colors. And if you be careful, because any sort of vibration or hit to it changes it. So now it's gone into clash mode. So you can change the color clash, and then if you hit
blast
it again,
color.
Same. You can choose the blaster color. Then the
Hero.
skins. The skins are Hero, Warrior,
Guardian.
and Guardian. And basically you've got 8 swings, 8 clashes, 2 blasters, and as you go down each level, it eventually becomes mute. So the next stage has 4 of each, and then the last stage is basically mute. And then the next selection is volume. Is quite a few. You just press it and it cycles, and then it will bleep to let you know it's at the max. And then after that, it's got the sleep mode. So once you do that, that's sleep mode, or a long press on that activates sleep mode. So so the functions on this lightsaber are quite simple. A single button press activates blast mode. So every swing is a blast deflect. You can press it once and it cancels it. Double tap enters clash mode. That's it. Okay, so we're going to look at the colors now that you have on here. I'm going to just turn the light off because it's easier to have a look at the colors. So
sound font. Main color.
So there's a sort of lime green, I would say blue, purple, even more purpler, or mauve, really purple, like Mace Windu purple, a sort of purpley red, white, yellow, blue, red, orange, oops, green, yellow, green, lime green, green, cyan, royal blue, even lighter sort of blue, sort of lighter purple, and I think now we've just gone through all the colours. Yeah, there you go. So those are all the colours.
Blast color.